Good morning, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and I wanted to share this unboxing with you. These are some fabrics I got from Hawthorne Threads, and they're for two projects that I'm going to be doing in the next couple weeks. A wall hanging, and then a trio of small wall hangings like I did back in October when I did some trick-or-treat wall trio. This is going to be a winter scene trio. So I haven't seen these yet. I haven't pulled them out of the box, and I wanted to share it with you. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, we got a gray bag. So I ordered fabrics that are, some of the fabrics are Mr. Domestic, his line of fabrics called Snow Day. And then I also got a Robert Kaufman fat quarters for the trio, for the small wall hanging trio. Okay, so here's the Moonlight fat quarter collection, which I'm going to be, like I said, I'm going to be using for that trio, the wall hanging trio, which is the 12-inch square little wall hangings. And if you're wondering, I did a trick-or-treater one back in October, and you can go take a look at that one. And this one's going to be a snow scene. So I wanted to get some blues and greens. And then I also wanted night sky, and this seemed to have it all. So we've got some stars, the sun and the moon. Okay, sorry for the cut in the video, but my mom called me and I had to take the call. Okay, the next one, we've got the sun and the moon here, which is pretty cool. I don't know if I'll use anything like that, but it's really cool. And then this is really cool too. Just almost like galaxies. So this looks very Christmassy with the stars. So lots of options for the background in my snow scene. Ooh, there's a green one. Oh, that's pretty. So like I said, I wanted blues and greens and something light, and it can even be light blue. But look at these fabrics, they're just gorgeous. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 fabrics. And I don't remember what I paid. I paid $52 for 16 fabrics. And like I said, these are Kaufman fabrics. So different colorways of the same fabrics I just showed you, it looks like. But yeah, these are gonna work great for my little project. I love it. So yeah, we're getting into the same types of fabrics, just like I said, different colorways. And I like how they incorporated all the other colors we just looked at into that. So I have several options. Should make my job easier or harder. And then I got these art gallery solids to go with the Mr. Domestic fabrics, his Snow Day fabrics. And this is going to be for the wall hanging I'm going to be doing here in a couple weeks. These were on sale. And I did not know that when I was looking at fabrics. I liked these fabrics, and then when I went to order, I found out they were on sale, which is great. I love a sale. So I was going for the blues and the greens in this also, with some light colors. And this again is going to be like a winter scene wall hanging. This was the first thing that caught my eye as a background. But I just love the color palette of this. And it's always nice when you find a fabric you like, you go to it, you like the color palette, and you like all the fabrics that are in it. That's a nice snowflake, some sweaters. That's just almost like a grunge snow look. Coffee cups, sleds on mint. And then I've got this plaid, which I also bought a larger piece of to use in my project. Because when I planned it out, I needed more of this fabric. So I got the fat quarter and a yard, I think. No, a half a yard. About a half a yard. And the snow day writing, which says family movie night, snowflakes, sit by the fire, hibernation, snuggle up, sweater weather, bake cookies, read a book. And then this looks like a sweater. So this, like I said, was on sale. I think I got 12 fat quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yep, 12, 13 maybe, if I counted right, 13 fat quarters. And like I said, it was on sale. I think I paid $32 for that. And then I got these solids to go with it. Hawthorne Threads had coordinating solids at the bottom, and so that's how I picked these out. And it goes well. These solids go really well with this fabric. Okay, so that's a wrap up of the Mr. Domestic Fabrics, which is his line through Art Gallery. And then these are Art Gallery solids. But one other thing I got, because I ordered over $75, and I think I ordered on Black Friday, is they throw in this free tote bag that's printed on canvas. So they sent you the panels here. You can cut them out and make your own tote bag. So that's the front with the flowers, I guess. Front or back, whatever you want. This is one side. This is the other side. Then they've got the insides, the lining right here. The instructions are on the same piece of fabric. And the straps. So it's all in one piece of canvas for you to make your own tote bag. So that was a nice little bonus. So that's my wrap up of all the fabrics I opened. The tote bag was free. I've got Moonlight by Robert Kaufman fat quarters, and then my Mr. Domestic fat quarters. So thank you very much for watching this video.